Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today is part one of a two-part series of cards that have a watercolor look. So let's get started. So in my shop now, new is this watercolor floral cardstock pack, and this is by Prima, and this is an A4 pack, so the measurements are 8.27 inches by 11.69. So it's a little bit off from our letter size that we have here in the US, but it's almost similar. There are 30 sheets in here, 6 double-sided designs, and 5 sheets of each. So 5 times 6 makes 30. And just a quick go through this pad. So we're starting off with these beautiful, and I have already removed some of the papers, but I'm going to show you the 6 that are in there 5 times. So we have these cut aparts. Then there are these watercolor patches, and then look at the back. So it is double-sided, so even if you say, well, I don't know what to do with these, which I have on my card so I can show you, but you also can use then the back side, which is just gorgeous, just really, really beautiful cardstock. And this, like I said, is cardstock, and you can definitely use that for your card blanks. Then you have a full sheet of nothing but blossoms. Look how gorgeous they are. And here is the background with script in it, very shabby chic. A garden bench with flowers and birdies. And here is the bag. Green leaves, branches, beautiful pink background. And then the last one is these, again, these patches look a little bit like feathers, and on the back you can see this beautiful watercolor script. Okay, so this is the paper that I have used today, and let's take a look at my first card. So here it is. I used one of the papers. I used my card blanks. I made my card blanks with the papers from the pack, and then just added, as I always do, a writing panel. I used 2 of the cut aparts, and then these embellishments. There is also ephemera that goes with these packs, and I have them both in my shop. So 2 ephemera packs, and let's take a look. So you get all these beautiful flowers and branches, and right here, this, let me see if I can make this really big. See, I'm gonna go in here. This is the branch that I have used on my card, and here it is. And I just added foam pads and made it a little bit dimensional. So you got all these flowers, and then the second pack is similar. It also has the blossoms and the branches, but you see the difference. So this one is more like you have roses and it's just different flowers, but both of them are very pretty, and I have used them on my cards. So this is my first card, just 2 embellishments from these ephemera packs. Oh, by the way, they have this one here has 62 pieces in here, and this actually has 77 pieces. So there are little smaller pieces in here that make it 77. So both are just chock full of beautiful embellishments. Now let's take a look at my second card. So I used these patches from the paper, and I made it my focal point on the card. So again, I made a card from from the cardstock. Love it how it's always instantly then also inside decorated. Here, didn't do much. I just punched out those color patches and then layered some of the many flowers from the ephemera pack. Hello I had in my stash, and then just one strip of a peel-off sticker to give it a little bit of glitter. But the glitter on here I added with my stickles. This is not part of the pack. These come unglittered. Let's take another look. Here is the same thing. I made myself a card and then used two from the cutter parts, added some of the flowers. Sending hugs is a stamp that I used. And then here I added a little bit of bling that comes from the sparklets. And here they are. They are called ice, but you can see they look like water drops, right? So it looks like dewdrops on those flowers. And that's what I have. So I will link them below. Then I made a few slimline cards. So I cut myself a 6x6 panel from this beautiful paper. Added again a white, this is just printer paper. And here is one of the cutouts. Happy birthday is stamped. And then I just layered these gorgeous flowers. And look how beautiful this arrangement looks like. But when I saw this little birdhouse here, I immediately thought of a sticker sheet that I have in my shop. And here it is. And it is by Hardy Crafts. And it has these relief stickers with beautiful birdhouses. So these are dimensional stickers. There are a little bit like puffy stickers. And check out these cute birdhouses. And all you have to do is just take them off the sheet and then add them to your paper. And they are really adhesive too, so you don't have to put extra glue on there. They're very, very sticky. And you even have mirrored images, so you could place them back to back if you want to make like a hanging embellishment, for example. So these two are mirrored images. And then you have those up here as well. So yeah, I saw that and I was thinking, well, I can duplicate this look. Now, of course, you have this sheet in here 5 times. So therefore, you also have 5 of these birdhouses. But now, look at this. Isn't that just perfect? This came from this relief sticker sheet. So here it is. And yeah, it has some substance to it when you go over. So it is definitely, it sits dimensionally on your card. And then I just added those flowers in top of it. And you don't really know where the sticker ends and the flowers start, because it all goes so well with each other. Here I have again used the cardstock to make a 6x6 cut. And then I folded it in half. Added some washi tape again, which is this green washi tape here. And the Miss You is from my stash. There's one more right here. This beautiful birdhouse. Same thing. I added sending hugs, a little bit of a washi. These, I believe I have maybe 1 or 2 left. I will see if I can reorder them. Those are those doilies that I introduced this spring, but I think they're almost gone. If I have them, I'll link them below. And just to give it this little lacy look. And then again, some of those flowers. And I still have so many left, even though I made all these cards. And then when you open up the card, see how nice this inside looks, just because it has this double print on it. And then for my last card today, I used a checkered card blank. This is a blank card blank from Michaels. Actually, it has these craft envelopes. So this is how it comes. It came in a pack, and I think I got it around Christmas time. It has the craft envelopes and then this black and white checkered or buffalo checker card that is white inside, but it goes all the way around. And here I just added a piece of scrap that I had left from my card making with this beautiful cardstock. Added some glitter border, and then of course some more flowers. Happy Days is cut out from our paper boutique paper pads, which we also had all spring, which I crafted with all spring. And here, this little butterfly, these also come on those are just extra embellishments all around those birdhouses. You also have the butterflies, and of course they make beautiful embellishments as well. So here we go, just a little bit of stickles again. And I mentioned it last week, my favorite stickles I have now in my shop. These are the two that you always see on my cards. So we have the icicle and the diamond. They are almost the same. The difference is they're both see-through, which that's the one I like. The icicle has a little bit more coarse glitter. The diamond is a little finer, the glitter, but they're basically the same thing. You can see how it always takes on the color of the background. That's why I do like these see-through glitter stickles. Okay. Here are all the cards again that I have created today with this beautiful Prima Watercolor paper pad. I just love the colors. I like the look of this watercolor art. And if you do like the cards that I have created, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please share this video with your friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. Also, these cards will be up for grabs in my store for a discounted price if you are interested. So thank you very much for spending time with me today. There will be a second part next week, also continued with beautiful watercolor looks. So until then, please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.